get ready with me to film some content for my social media. So I know YouTube, it's been a long time, very long time. I don't have any excuse for that. I just didn't have the real power to film some content. So, but I'm back today. So today I decided to give myself a challenge and go film some content outside on my own with a tripod. I'm scared because I don't want people to look at me like I'm crazy. But the thing is that when I do it in other countries, when I'm on holidays, I don't really care. But here I just care because I might see those people again. I don't know. Anyway, doesn't make sense. But yeah, I'm bringing you along and I hope you enjoy it. So now I'm just going to do my makeup first and then pack my outfits and let's go out. Okay. Also, I just did my hair yesterday, so I'm feeling, you know, kind of very fresh. I'm not going to do heavy makeup today because I just can't be bothered, you know. It's Sunday, 9 AM. Okay, it's not late, but still. It's just, we're on a weekend. I don't have the energy for that. So I'm starting by using the Dior Backstage Concealer in shade. That's a good question because I don't know the shade. Oopsie. Well, it's a shade. Probably one of the darkest, so it's a shade. And I think we're good. Sometimes I just go out with just a concealer. It's honestly the best concealer ever. It's worth every penny, even if I don't know the shade. I'm wondering how I'm going to buy a new one. Anyway. Then I think I'm going to go for powder foundation. The only thing is that my Estee Lauder all-time favorite, I broke it. Entirely my fault. So I'm going to use the MAC NW15. It's 50 in Studio Fix. The only thing, I think it's becoming too light for me. So yeah, I feel a bit unsure. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my setting powder before and then put the foundation after, so it's a bit more darker. So I usually film content on my own and I usually use my hybrid camera. It's a Sony Alpha 5000 and I think it was one of the first one of that kind to go out or whatever. So now my iPhone camera quality is kind of like almost the same as that camera. So I don't really use it anymore outside, and also it's kind of broken, so it's just a pain to use it all the time. I wish I could buy another one, but I can't because the new Sonys are like super expensive. So I need to save a bit more money to buy one. Like I can't put money for that at the moment aside. Actually, I just don't want to. So usually what I do when I film content on my iPhone, I use the Lens Buddy app with a setting for a portrait shoot. This way I will have kind of the blurry background effect that I love to have on my pictures, but I will also be able to film the content I'm shooting at the same time. Some bronzer, this is from NARS and it's the Cypress. Sometimes I feel like it's too pinky, too reddish for me, and then I'm like, actually I love it. I think I probably need to change my bronzer. It was one of my friends gave to me because it was too dark for her, and I was just like, yeah, I don't have one, I'm going to give it. Okay, final touch, some blush. I don't think I will do put any lipstick today, maybe some gloss, I don't know. Oh, actually I forgot my eyes. They've kind of disappeared from my blog and YouTube. Actually, I posted some vlogs from my content in Greece, for my trip in Greece that happened in 2021. Why am I posting this in 2023? It's just because I'm lazy when it comes to editing. Sometimes I shoot so many content, then then I think about all the things how I want to edit it, you know. I'm kind of a perfectionist and I have little time, or maybe I just make little time to myself for these things. So yeah, I disappeared because of that. And then the blog, I just didn't have the inspiration anymore. Actually, I have it. It's maybe more the time, because I still do outfits, which was what my blog is based on. Damn. Like not outfits, but like I was also sharing my cinema reviews, beauty products. And then, you know, like when the internet's like, oh, you need to niche down, and then I started to do that. And then I was like, I can post outfits, but you know, I can't shoot 5 outfits a day to have enough content for the month. And I just lost my patience for blogging. I still love it. Like when I'm back on my blog and just writing some draft and I never post, I still love it. I just think that I should have never followed the internet and niche down on my content, because I'm more than that. And I was like, people loved it. I loved it. That's the most important thing. I loved it. This year, I'm like, I've paid again just now for the renewal of my OVH, my website subscription, the domain, like everything. So I need to use that money. Actually not use that money, but you know, make sense of that purchase and write on my blog. I have loads of articles that are in my draft, so I'm going to post them, and I think I'm just going back to what I was doing, sharing outfits, sharing films reviews, sharing just months of my life on my blog, and also sharing those on social media, but just the blog. I know that people like, I still read blog. I know it's like people read them less, but I still do read blog when I go on holidays or when I'm look for more specific advice on the products that I can't have on other platforms because content is shorter. So yeah, my blog is called Aboutnoemiel, like all my pseudos. So have a look there at the content that's already existing and let me know if you like it. Also, I love the curls now. So yesterday I went to the hairdresser, so we did curls at the end of the service. And last time, like what she told me to keep the curls at least for a day, it's just to, when I go to bed, I just twist them. And then that's how it looks now. I love it. Anyway, I don't know if I'm going to leave my hair like this. Maybe yes, I should. Sorry, I have 2 mirrors behind me to know what I'm doing. Yeah, let's put some gloss. This is the Fenty Hot Chocolate, and I don't have anything anymore in my glosses. This one as well, but I refuse to buy new ones. I'm just going to use it until the packaging is super clear. It's just dedication. You should see the state of my MAC what's it, chestnut lips pencil. I've had it for so long. Actually, not so long. I think maybe less than a year, but I just use it all the time. This is how it looks, and I don't want to get rid of it. Actually, I did buy a new one, and I put this one in my everyday makeup bag, and the new one I only use it when I travel, because I'm like, you know. Come on, baby. Okay, so that's the final makeup look, and now on to shooting some content. I'm bringing a backpack with me to film the content because I need to change some clothes. So I did put some clothes under like my first outfit, but I need a third one and I can't layer that much outfits. Okay, I'm at the first location. There's a bit more traffic than what I wish there was. But yeah, I'm just going to film quick and then leave for another place. Okay, outfit 1 shoot. In the end, I just decided to just do whatever I want and not care about people. There was a funny moment where someone was looking at me weird because I was talking to myself. because I wanted to try to take a reel. I have a real ID, but I didn't know how to film it, so I was just talking to myself, and he just changed. He just crossed the road. Anyway, I'm going to find another location, and I will insert the videos. Also, my curls are falling though. So this is how I film my content with the Lens Buddy app. I set it on portrait plus video mode, and I ask it to take an infinite numbers of pictures, and also the wait time is 0.5 seconds. Okay, I'm back home. I just seen this on my wall. So yeah, I need to wash that. Anyway, I'm back home. I'm going to rest. It took me, I think, 2 hours or an hour and a half to film all the content, find the location. I think next time I just need to be less shy. But otherwise it went good. People really they didn't really care, apart from people who thought I was weird. But anyway, who cares? I hope you enjoyed this video. You enjoyed the ride with me. I'm kind of tired, but not too tired. Feels weird, but it feels good to be to have accomplished this much, and it's only almost 12, so I still have a long day before me. Yeah, so I hope to catch you in the next video really soon. Bye. Actually, did it work? Anyway, bisous.